Hello everyone, this is Afra from Quick WordPress Websites. In this video, we will see how to install and demo import Marketo, e-commerce and multi-vendor marketplace Woocommerce theme. So you can see there are so many demo sites available in this theme. So let's see how to install and demo import this demo. First, unzip the Marketo theme folder. Once you unzip, you will get following folder. Open it. Click Marketo Woocommerce WordPress theme. Here you can see many folders. The theme folder is the main one. Click the themes. Here you can see Marketo theme and Marketo child is available. You have to upload this Marketo main theme. It is around 3 MB. So let's go to your WordPress dashboard. Click appearance, then click themes. Here click add new theme. Click upload theme and choose file. Now locate the unzipped folder, click themes and click this Marketo and open. Now click install now. It will take couple of minutes. Once installed, click activate. Okay, now you can see your license is activated. On the top you can see this theme requires following plugins. So you can click begin installing plugins. Okay, now you can see the list of required plugins listed here. We just select plugins, so it will select all the plugins. For the bulk action, click install, click apply. Okay, it will install all the required plugins one by one. Okay, once the installation is completed, click the return to required plugin installer. Okay, now you have to activate all the installed plugins. So again, click the plugin, bulk action, activate, click apply. So let's import the demo data. To import demo data, you have to go to the tools. So once you click, you can see there's no options here. So just refresh the site. So let's refresh this. Now you can see the demo content installed. So I am telling again, go to tools. You have to see the demo content installed. If it is not appearing, refresh the WordPress. So now you can see the demo content installed. Click that. Okay, now you can see the demo contents here. Demo 1, furniture, grocery, auto parts, watch, shoe, jewelry, eyeglass, dog and multi-vendor, marketplace multi-vendor. So those kind of themes are available. So let's install the first one, demo 1. So if you want, you can click this live preview and see the live preview. So this is the live preview. So let's close this and click this install. Click OK to this pop-up. Okay, now you can see we are currently installing your content. So it will take around 2 to 5 minutes depend on your hosting and internet speed. So wait till that. Wow, after a few minutes, you can see all the demo contents have been imported in your website. Just scroll down and see. All the demo contents are available here, and you can click the other pages like about us. You can see the about us page here. Similarly, other pages you can see in the gallery, you can view like this. So those kind of things you can see. This home, there are so many homes. So if you want to rearrange the menus and if you want to delete the unnecessary menu items, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to the appearance and click menus. Go to the appearance and click menus. So you can go to the main menu. Here you can see the pages, but you have to note that these are custom links. These are not actual home pages. Once you customers click this custom link, it will redirect you to the theme developers page. So to have your home page, you have to remove this one and see you can have the home page. Yeah, you can have the home page here. So you can drag and drop on the top. So I drag the main home page and drop here. This is the main home page we are going to use. So you can delete other custom links. Click the arrow icon and click remove. Similarly, you can remove all the custom links. Here also you can remove the custom link. These are the actual pages. This home one, about us is the Elementor, contact, FAQ, element. So those kind of things you can keep here, and you can delete these custom links. No need to have these custom links. So just delete and save menu. Let's refresh this. Okay, now you can see the menu items nicely arranged. If you want to edit this vertical menu, again go to the menus and click here the vertical menu and select. Here you can see the vertical menu items. If you want, you can edit the names and you can rearrange the vertical menu items. Similarly, if you want to edit this full front page, you can edit with Elementor. It's very easy. You can visually edit the contents. So if you need more tutorial regarding this, please subscribe our channel.